I've got some basic tap fundamentals for you to work on today. We're going to get started with getting acquainted with our taps. We've got a heel tap and a toe tap, so they make two different sounds. First thing I want you to do is raise your heels off of the ground and walk on the balls of your feet on those front taps. That's called steps. Step, step, step. Good. If you let the heel down and you use the heel and the toe at the same time when you have a weight change, that's called a stamp. Stamp, stamp, stamp. If you use the toe in the heel and there's not a weight change and you bring the foot up right away off the floor, that's called a stomp. There's a stomp on one side. There's a stomp on the other. It might take you a little bit of finessing to get the toe and the heel to strike the floor at the same time. We've got a hop, which is challenging because the heel has to stay up. So you hop and you land just on the ball of your foot. Hop. We can brush with the toe tap forwards. It's called appropriately a brush. We can pull the toe tap back. That's called a pull. When we do a brush and a pull together, that's called a shuffle. Try the other side. Good. If we do a brush and then a weight change, a brush step, that's called a flap. Brush, step, brush, step. We can go forwards and backwards. When we go backwards, it's more of a pull step, but we still call it flap. Pull, step, pull, step. We can also travel sideways. Good. We have a ball change, which is on the balls of the feet. We're usually going to go back forwards. And it can often be a faster step, so just a quick weight change. And I have a scuff for you with the heel tap. You're going to strike the floor with your heel tap and continue carrying that heel with you. We have a toe dig. The toe tap is going to strike behind your standing leg. So take your right toe behind your left and your left behind your right. And one last thing, we got a cramp roll. We're going to do toe, toe, heel, heel. When you put that all together, it's toe, toe, heel, heel. And it gets really fun to speed up. Happy practicing.